In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a resignation letter in ChatGPT 2026 full guide. Preparing to leave your job can feel overwhelming, but with a clear process and a collaborative approach, you can craft a letter that is professional, respectful, and genuinely human. Instead of settling for a cold template, we'll set up a focused editing space, define exactly how you want to sound, feed in your real experiences, run a safety audit, and finish with a clean format that HR can process easily. First, create an isolated workspace so your draft doesn't get tangled in unrelated chats. Open your browser, go to the Projects tab, and select Create New Project. Give it a specific name like 2026 Career Transition. This keeps sensitive drafting separate from your general activity and makes version control much simpler. Next, establish your tonal guardrails and strategic context before writing anything. Your situation matters. A grateful departure reads differently than a move prompted by personal circumstances. In your project, switch the model to thinking mode for deeper reasoning and paste this framing command. Act as an elite executive career coach and professional copy editor. I am preparing to write my official resignation letter. I want you to maintain strict corporate boundaries, ban generic AI generated cliches, and optimize the tone to be deeply respectful, brief, and completely professional. Do not generate the letter yet. Ask me 3 highly targeted clarifying questions regarding my transition timeline, my relationship with my boss, and my core reason for leaving so we can build a perfect custom blueprint. Answer those questions candidly to anchor the tone. Now inject real project memories using an 80-20 hybrid. 80% your authentic thoughts, 20% AI refinement. Type a quick, unpolished paragraph with your final date logistics and a sincere reference to one meaningful project or mentorship. Then use take my raw, unedited thoughts and structure them into a formal resignation letter. Constraints: keep the entire output under 200 words. Ensure the opening line states my departure intent and my explicit final date clearly. Smooth out my casual phrasing into polished corporate text, but preserve the specific team project reference naturally so the document maintains a genuine human touch. Run a safety and bridge burning audit to remove risk. Under your draft, paste. Act as an expert corporate compliance officer and HR director. Review this draft letter, scan the text for any subtle red flags, overshared personal details, or passive aggressive tones that could burn professional bridges or trigger legal friction blocks. Highlight any risky sentences and provide clean, neutral alternative options to keep the text completely bulletproof. Finally, format for HR with act as an advanced document typographer and executive assistant. Organize my finalized resignation text into a clean single column markdown layout. Structure the hierarchy perfectly with dedicated lines for current date, company header information, formal salutation, body paragraphs, and a clean closing signature block. Eliminate all generic conversational fluff from your response so I can copy the text layout with a single click. This structured workflow replaces blank page stress with clarity and confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in